This is a cheap little pump I bought for $8. I attached a hose to it. This is PVC's firm. Then I heated it up and put this little adapter in there. This attaches here. This part goes all the way to the bottom. Before we turn it on, we have to put this part, the opposite end, in the sink. This is to prevent it from flying out, sucking the water out. Because the turtle is gathered, and no eggs are coming out, but it's making the water cloudy. Okay. What you do is you take this off, and most faucets will have the handle to come off. When the water comes out of here, it's quite forceful. See? And that pressure is needed to send it through the tube. The great thing about this is you can control the water temp. I know that if I put it on totally cold and like a quarter warm, that is about 80 degrees. So it's going in here. Let's go see the other side. There's a lot of water in the tube now. You have to make sure that you keep it up. Now I've emptied all the water out of the tubes. So it doesn't leak.